Hello everyone, it's Raquel from The Lady and Her Stamps, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little Valentine's card. I'm actually going to make two, and to show you how simple it is to put them together, we're going to be using the Heartfelt stamp set. This is part of a larger bundle called From My Heart stamp bundle, and they're photopolymer stamps, and I have my stamp that I'm going to use right here is already mounted onto my stamp block. We're going to be using the Lovely Lipstick Red and Real Red. We're going to be using those two together with this Flirty Flamingo really cute cardstock. So we are going to pull out the stuff that we need. So I'm going to start with a card base. Wait, let's put this up here so hopefully we can keep that in sight. We'll move that over a little bit. We're going to start with our card base. And again, like I said, these are easy to cut from one piece of cardstock. And they are cut 5.5 by 4.25. So we have our card bases there. We also have insides for our card. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the inside. I'm just going to stamp something really simple. Probably... And I know I should have this over there, but I'm going to use this adorable arrow. Just something really quick on the inside. Make sure it's on there correctly. I do want it straight. I'm going to ink it up in the Real Red. Or I keep saying Real Red. Lovely Lipstick. And I'm just going to stamp this one right at the bottom. Or I could actually turn it around and make it at the top if I need. Right? So put that there, and let's do this one. Just want to make sure it's straight. I line them up on these grid lines that's here, so at least I know the paper is straight. I may not be straight, but at least I know the paper is straight. All right. Excuse me. So we have that done. We also are going to need to have From My Heart stamped. So let's move these two. I'm going to put those right there. Let's stamp on the front of our card bases. I'm going to ink up again in this Lovely Lipstick. And I'm just going to put this right here. And I really should, when you're stamping on a cardstock, you really should excuse me, open up your card. Kind of lay it flat like this. Excuse me, goodness, every time. There we go. So let's go ahead and we're just going to stamp right here in the corner. Okay. There we go. All right, so basically our stamping is done. Okay. So we have both of our card bases are already done. Now what I want to do is kind of put the card base together. I'm going to bring out my snail, and I have some of this really cute designer series paper from the suite. This has little hearts, and it's got little stitched hearts even on it. And then on the back it has this striped right here. But we're going to use this for the hearts on the front. And I'm going to open up my snail. And we're just going to put a little bit of snail here. And then we're going to make a little, make sure there's like a border here. And then we're going to put our paper. Whoops, did I do that crooked? Oh, I did not. All right. I thought maybe it slipped. All right, so that one's done. Now we can go ahead and do this one. Just want to make sure there's enough that it stays, right? Whoops. Oh, and also watch out for the direction of your designer series paper. If you notice this one, I was getting ready, put it on, but it's upside down. So just make sure that your hearts or whatever designer series paper that you use is always in the right direction. All right, so now we have those two. So we also have some images that were, some things that were punched. And we have these adorable, look at this. How cute are these little hearts? They're doilies, heart doilies. And then you look on the back and they're white. So they could either, you know, they could go pretty well with this, or you can turn them over, which we're going to do, and use them for our focal point. So let's put this part together first. The two hearts. The two hearts are laid flat with the lovely lipstick heart, just like that. And we're going to use, we're going to use our snail glue on this designer series paper. Our cute little heart. These come as a full sheet so that you can punch them out. Let me see if I don't know if I have any handy. Oh wait, I do. I can at least show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And then you just cut out whichever one that you want. And then you can just punch out a heart, because there are two heart punches that go with this suite. There we go. Okay. So these two are up. They are going to be popped up on here. And let's use our dimensionals. I want some bigger dimensionals. So I'm going to move that. And let's see. Pull out my dimensionals. Let's put this right on the back. So we have our card base is, you know, pretty much already done. We have the inside done for them. This card comes together so quick. All right, so we have those on there. Then we're going to take them off. I'm sorry if I'm not on camera. Take these off from here. And then just put those right there in the center, just like that. 1, 2, 3. I always say 1, 2, 3 because that gives me the time. It needs to take these off because I will mess with them for a little bit. All right, and so this one is on there. Then what we're going to do is just take our snail and just run it on the back, because these are going to be laid flat. Okay? They're going to be laid flat just like this, right in the center, and this one right in the center. And before we do anything, let's go ahead and finish this part, because we do have one part left on the front. So let's put down the inside of our card. Whoa, there we go. Put down the inside of our card. Just like that. And I think I might turn this one around. Make it go in the up. There we go. Just like that. Okay. 1, 2, and then I'm going to use my bone folder, just make sure everything's nice and smooth. Make sure cards lay nice and flat. Just like that. And then I'm going to need my glue dots, and I'm going to put my ribbon on. Whoops, this one's kind of out of camera. And I'm going to put my ribbon on. I'm going to put this on right here on the glue dot. Take it off the glue dot, and then kind of post it right there. Whoops, runaway bow. There we go. And do the same for this one. And put it right there. And then kind of let's straighten the bow out. There we go. 2 cards. Super quick. I don't even know how long this video was, but we made 2 cards so quick. 9 minutes. Yay. So there we go. Cute, super cute Valentine's Day cards. Super quick. Oh, wait. I forgot my little red cherry. Okay. Silly me. Here they are. Found them. So we need to have red dots for them. So I think I have 2 there. I have 1. It's kind of hiding right back behind there. And we're going to put these on. I'm just going to use my scissors. I'm just going to pick them up. Oops. With my scissors. And I'm going to put 1 there. And 1 over here. I could move that one. I really could. Put that there, and then put one over here. Yeah. Let's see, can we use one down here? Yep, sure can. Kind of in the middle of that other heart that's there. Super cute. Okay, so here are my cards. Thank you guys so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time right here at the Lady and Her Stamps. Bye-bye.